All right, y'all, welcome back to my channel. We're gonna go ahead and get it right into it. We're gonna do a this is gonna be a quick intro. So today I'm gonna do like a red and green little Christmas look using one of my new eyeshadow palettes that I got off of Amazon. I love this. I got some new items, some new makeup items. I'll post new brushes, the e.l.f. putty primer, the e.l.f. matte poreless primer, the Juvia's Place setting powder. I never use any of Juvia's Place products, so this is gonna be my first time using the setting powder. I got a lot of new things, but we're gonna go ahead and get right into it. As you guys can see, my brows are already done. I use the LA Girl Pro Concealer to clean up. Not the Pro Concealer. It's LA Girl Pro, their foundation in caramel. I use that to go ahead and line up my brows. I don't know why I like using it, because I just love the way it looks under the. I don't know. I just didn't feel like it make my brow look extra cleaner. But I'm gonna go ahead and pop this P. Louise base number 5 all over my lid, and we're gonna go ahead and get started. I'm not going to be talking through this video. It will be a voiceover because my husband and son are in the background, and you guys will be able to hear them. So this is gonna be a voiceover, and we're gonna go ahead and get started on our eyes. All right, so I'm just gonna take my P. Louise base and apply it all over my lids, and I'm gonna take a fluffy brush to just go ahead and blend it out and make sure it is blended evenly. Y'all know how I do. I don't know what, like, I hate when I do that. Get something on my daggone lashes. Anyway, just blend. Blend on now. Then I'm going to take my Maybelline Fit Me setting powder and apply that over top of the P. Louise base. And this green eyeshadow that I'm applying, I'm only going to do, I want to do a cut crease, but like halfway, like I'm gonna say a crescent style, like not full eye cut crease look. You guys will see how I'm doing. I'm just blending out this other green color over top of that darker green. I mean, these colors don't have numbers on this eyeshadow palette or names that I can tell you guys. And I'm using my Burt's Bees makeup removal wipes to go ahead and clean up my cut crease to make it sharp. And then I'm going to also, like, after I clean it up, I'm going to take my P. Louise base again and apply that over the lid. I enjoyed doing this look. It was so much fun, and I loved the way it turned out. But anyway, after we're going to go ahead and get this base applied and clean up this crease line, I am going to take like a nude shadow color. You can use anything any color. You can also use a white if that's what you prefer. But I'm using a nude eyeshadow color and applying it over top of that P. Louise base. All right, now I'm using the P. Louise color base in the red. I forgot what, I think it's called like rain, I believe. I forgot. But anyway, it's the red base. And I'm using an, I believe this was like a lip brush. You know how you apply your lipsticks to. And then I'm going to go over it again with an eyeliner brush just to make it even. That's why I really hate doing wing looks. For some reason, I feel like I don't do them perfect. But that right there, when I say I fell in love with this look right here, like, sis, I was so proud of myself. Can't you freaking tell? I was like mad proud with myself with how this turned out. But I'm going back in with my makeup removal wipes and just cleaning up any excess that fell on my face. And I'm going in with my e.l.f. This is the matte primer, and then I'm going to use the putty poreless primer and apply that all over my face. And we're going to get right into my little foundation routine. And can you guys believe that I used a beauty blender to do my face this time? Like, I never use a beauty blender. I always use a brush. But this is the Sephora highlighter stick, illuminating stick. And I'm just using the beauty blender to blend that out on my cheeks. Y'all already know the foundation I use. And this is in Nutmeg. And to blend it out, I did spray with the setting spray on the beauty blender to get it damp and get it working. The concealer that I'm going to use is the LA Girl Pro Concealer in Toffee and Black Radiance HD Concealer. And then I'm going to go back over again with LA Pro Concealer in Almond just to give me a brighter under eye look that I was going for. And I use my Juvia's Place setting powder. I love that powder. That powder gave my face like a silky freaking satin finish. I love how my look came out after I used this Juvia's Juvia's Place setting powder. I'm about to like get all of them products, the foundation, concealer, and everything, and try it out. I know I'm late, but hey, I roll on my time, not everybody else's time. Y'all already know I do my drugstore. Use my drugstore beauty products, and I always get a flawless face with my drugstore products. It does not have to be expensive products to get a flawless look. So that's what I did. Anyway, I'm showing you guys the products that I'm using. Oh, to contour my face, I use my e.l.f. Concealer in a dark color. I forgot. I think it's camo is the color that I use to conceal my face. But anyway, like I stated, just stay tuned. Keep on watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please, please, please share my video. I'm trying to get to 1,000 subscribers. If you have not subscribed to my channel yet, please, please, please just press that subscribe button. If you're watching this, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. Hit that like button. And if you don't like it, don't press anything. Just still watch it. And just keep moving on about your business. Anyway, just keep on watching. Stay tuned and watch till you guys can see how I got this flawless, flawless, flawless look. Peace.
When I wake up, I feel cozy, yeah. Can you hold up? Don't need no coffee yet. Got no makeup. How do you look so fine? Bust up, bust up. How did I make you mine? Stay a minute, another minute. Hold on a second, I love this moment, yeah. Stay a minute, another minute. Hold on a second, I love this moment, yeah. Don't you love when we take our time to make love? Promise you I'm not wasting time in the bathtub. We don't gotta rush, no. Never gonna rush, no. My life's in a slow-mo, always in a slow-mo. I still show up on time. Stay a minute, another minute. Hold on a second, I love this moment, yeah. Stay a minute, another minute. Hold on a second, I love this moment, yeah. Stay a minute, another minute. Hold on a second, I love this moment, yeah. Stay a minute, another minute. Hold on a second, I love this moment, yeah.
Now I use the same palette to do my contour powder, so I mixed the dark, the second and the dark color together to do my contour on my cheeks.
You got me feeling loved. You know why hold us up. Let me know if you ever think that I am being too much. You got me feeling love, even though I own us up. Let me know if you ever think that I am being so. Just stay a minute, another minute. Hold on a second, I love this moment, yeah. Just stay a minute, another minute. Hold on a second, I love this moment, yeah. Just stay a minute, another minute. Hold on a second, I love this moment, yeah. Just stay a minute, another minute. Hold on a second, I love this moment, yeah. Just stay a minute. Stay a minute. Stay a minute, another minute. Stay a minute, another minute. Stay a minute.
Without something concrete.
Talk to you later, sis.
Somebody do the buy station real quick.
25 members of service and upwards of 35 news agencies at the dedication. They're bound to ask you the name of the officer who saved the...
Wait. He was pissed, screaming about how he's not gonna pay a bribe.
All right, y'all.
Pushing me, I pushed him back.
This is the final look. Hope you guys enjoyed this quick little tutorial. If you did, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell. Also share my videos so they can get around town. Okay, peace.